Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Edge 6 Diffusion. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then to connect, hit Receive button. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!